Can you help me find what these pills are?
Oh, for sure. This might take me a couple minutes because I have to look at my dad a bit.
Nature's Bounty, B12, 1000 micrograms.
How did you know that?
The pill is shaking the bottle.
The sound?
Yeah, you hear how that sounds kind of pink?
No, I don't see that.
Nature's Bounty, D3, 1000 units.
How?
I told you, man, it's all in the sound. It's also distinct. Efficacent oil, Philippines, 235 mils.
This is from a foreign country.
You see how the liquid just kind of swirls in that glass? It's so distinct.
Oh my god, you are special.
Or brand jeans, waist 38, thick ass.
Hey, yo!